Alright guys, I wanted to show y'all this real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, disconnect. Okay, so to delete the TPMS sensors, instead of going into the IPC module configuration as built and changing all the numbers in it, just go into the IPC module configuration, click the play button, scroll down. Okay, and then up here at the top it says TPMS menu, additional change required in BCM. So anyways, I went there on the bottom, edit selected, and then I just disabled it like that, which worked fine. So everything is off of the screen now. It was a lot easier doing that than going in and changing a bunch of numbers. So let's get out of here. Oh no, I don't want to do that.